Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. To my lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Ashkari. My name is Muhammad Noor bin Umar, metric number YL 21110009. I would like to present my assignment entitled Farm Water Supply for Crop Irrigation Mechanization. Okay, there are 6 tables of content. First, introduction. Second, objective. Third, traditional irrigation system. Fourth, modern irrigation system. Fifth, conclusion. Sixth, reference. Okay, introduction. Farm irrigation refers to the process of artificially supplying water to agricultural lands to support crop growth and ensure adequate yield. It involves the controlled application of water to the soil, providing the necessary moisture for plant growth, especially in areas where natural rainfall is insufficient or unreliable. Okay, the primary goal of farm irrigation is to optimize water use and distribute it efficiently to crop, ensuring their health and productivity. Irrigation is a fundamental practice in agriculture and has been used for thousands of years to enhance crop production, improve food security, and support the livelihoods of farming communities. Okay, objectives is there are 4 objectives. First, crop water requirement to ensure that crop receive an adequate and timely supply of water to meet the specific water requirement at different growth stage. Okay, next, yield enhancement to improve crop yield and quality by preventing water stress during critical growth phases. Third, climate adaptation, improve the farm's resilience to changing climate conditions. And fourth, soil health, maintain soil moisture level within an optimal range to support healthy microbial activity, nutrient availability, and overall soil health. Okay, what is mode irrigation? Mode, mode irrigation is border strip irrigation of basin irrigation. It's a method of surface irrigation used to water large agricultural field. Parts of function. First, mode, small, shallow channels or ditches that surround the cultivated area. Okay, bunds, low, earthen ridge or embankments that separate the moat, preventing water from spilling over to adjacent area. Inlet structure is a control structure used to regulate the water flow into the moat. Water distribution. The moats evenly distribute water across the field. And now, water retention. The bunds retain water within the moat, preventing excessive runoff. Soil moisture management. Moat irrigation help maintain an adequate moisture level in the soil of plant growth. Okay, what is specification of moat irrigation? Okay, first, moat depth. Typically shallow, usually ranging from a few centimeters to a maximum of 15 to 20 centimeters. Motor width can vary depending on the field's requirement and water flow rate. Bund height, generally a few centimeters to a maximum of about 30 centimeters. Okay, how to operate? Okay, first, preparation. The field is prepared by creating moat and bund around the cultivated area. Then water inlet. Water is introduced into the field through an inlet structure which control the flow rate. Water flow. The water flow through the moat spreading across the field. Watering duration. The irrigation duration depends on the crop's water requirement and the field soil characteristic. Drainage. Excess water is drained or allowed to percolate into the soil. Okay, what is furrow irrigation? Furrow irrigation, surface irrigation method commonly used in agriculture where water is applied through small, shallow channel or furrow between crop rows. Path and function. Furrow, small channel or trenches between crop row where water flow and infiltrate the soil. Head ditch, the main channel that carries water to the beginning of the furrows. Tail ditch, the channel that collects excess water at the end of the furrow. Check dams, small structure placed in the furrow to control the flow of water and prevent excessive runoff. Okay, water delivery. Furrow irrigation delivers water directly to the root zone of plants through the furrow. Water infiltration. The water in the furrow infiltrates the soil, providing moisture for plant uptake. How to control flow? Check dams help regulate the flow of water and prevent it from running too quickly. Okay, furrow irrigation specification. Okay, furrow spacing. The distance between furrows varies depending on the crop, soil type, and water availability. Okay, furrow depth, typically shallow, ranging from a few centimeters to around 30 centimeters. Furrow length, determined by the size of the field and the topography. Okay, operation. Field preparation. Furrow are created between crop row. Okay, water supply. Water is diverted from a water source, for example, river, canal, reservoir, into the head ditch. Okay, water flow. The water flows through the furrow, gradually infiltrating the soil. Water duration. The duration of irrigation depends on crops, water requirement, and soil characteristic. Drainage. Excess water is collected in the tail ditch or allowed to percolate into the soil. Okay, what is the advantage and disadvantage? Okay. For moat irrigation, water efficiency, okay, low cost, reduce erosion. Okay. Land requirement, risk of overwatering, limited precision. That is disadvantage. Okay, advantage for furrow irrigation. Simple, low cost, water efficient, water efficiency, minimal energy requirement, and disadvantage for furrow irrigation, high labor requirement, potential erosion, uneven water, uneven water distribution. Okay. Okay. What is drip irrigation? Okay. Drip irrigation is the most efficient water and nutrient delivery system for growing crops. It delivers water and nutrients directly to the plant's root zone in the right amount at the right time. To each plant gets exactly what's needed to grow optimally. Okay, parts and function. Water source irrigation water can come from a well, uh, cistern, city council supply, or any other source that provides enough water. Okay, pump. The water source should have enough pressure to move water throughout the irrigation system and ensure good water distribution. Filter prevent particles from clogging the system. Okay, filter to prevent particle from clogging the system. Backwash control. This device prevent water from flowing back to the water. Uh, flowing back to the water supply system. Pressure control valve. This maintains the water pressure in the water supply line to ensure correct operation pressure for the drip emitters at all times. Okay, okay, tubing. This consists of plastic pipes which carry water from the source to the crop. Okay, then emitters or drippers. The emitters or drippers can either be pressure compensating or non non pressure compensating. Okay, chemical injectors. These are subsystems set to deliver nutrient into the irrigation system in specific quantities and time interval. Meter. The device is installed on an irrigation system uh, to measure the volume of water supplied to a farm. Okay, a timer to control the frequency and duration of watering. Okay, drip irrigation. We have a specification. Okay, uh, operating head water pressure. Okay, specification 1 to 1.5 meter head. Standardized irrigation coverage 90 90 uh, meter and 225 meter. Emitter discharge 2.1 to 2.4 liters. Distribution uniformity above 80%. Material use head tank 50 to 100 liter HDPE circular tank. Maximum length of lateral 12 meter. Diameter of main pipe 12 millimeter outside. Okay, 12 millimeter outside diameter lateral. Okay, okay, okay. Diameter of pipe. Main pipe 12 millimeter, okay, outside. Diameter lateral 8 millimeter outside diameter. Okay. Okay. How to operate? Okay. Water source. Water source to main supply line, distribution tubing, emitters, drippers. Okay. To placement of emitters, water flow, drip, delivery, watering duration, pressure regulation, turn off the system, monitoring and maintenance. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Next, tractor mounted sprinkler system. Okay, tractor mounted sprinkler system. The system comprises of a powerful water pump, a rust resistant water tank, and strategically placed spray nozzle that can cover an sample area with ease. The flow rate and pressure can be adjusted as per the requirement, making it an ideal choice for uh, railroad watering need. Parts and function. Tractor mounting frame. The mounting frame is designed to attach the sprinkler system to the tractor securely. It ensures stability and proper alignment during operation. And then water source connection. The sprinkler system is connected to water source, which could be a water pump, reservoir, or a water supply line. This connection allows the system to draw water for irrigation. Okay, sprinkler nozzle. These are the outlets through which water is dispersed over the field. Okay, sprinkler arms or boom. The arms or boom are extendable and adjustable structure that carry the sprinkler nozzle. Water pressure regulation system. To ensure even water distribution, a pressure regulation system is included to maintain consistent water pressure across all the sprinkler nozzle. Okay, then water flow control valve. The flow control valve allows the operation to adjust the rate of water application. Okay, then there are drive system, control panel, automatic guidance system that is optional. Okay, tractor mounted sprinkler system specification tank capacity 800 liters, spray width 10 meters, uh, number of spray nozzle, okay, 20 pieces, match power, okay, horsepower, 75 to 80 horsepower, total weight 310 kilogram, okay, capacity 800 liter, work width 8 to 12 meter, working efficiency 2.53 hectare per tank, match tractor 30 to 100 horsepower, uh, diagram pumps 3 cylinders. Okay, operation tractor connection to water source, then sprinkler arms or boom placement, inlet connection, start the tractor, drive the tractor, okay, water flow and sprinkler operation, okay, sprinkler action, uniform watering, completion and shut off maintenance. Okay, there are advantages and disadvantages for the drip irrigation and tractor mounted sprinkler system. Okay, the advantage of drip irrigation reduce wastewater, reduce weed growth, can reduce erosion. Then the disadvantage requires special equipment for installation, which increases the cost of installation. Root intrusion can occur, leading to damage to the system. And then tractor mounted sprinkler system, the advantage, uh, less cost expensive, less expensive. Okay, easy to use, more flexibility, more flexibility. Okay, the disadvantage, small tank capacity, have a limited range, less power. Okay, for my conclusion, farm irrigation system in agriculture continue to evolve, driven by advancements in technology, growing awareness of water conservation, and the need to meet the global food damage by selecting and utilizing the most appropriate irrigation techniques and embracing innovation. Farmers can enhance crop production, uh, increase water use of efficiency, and contribute to a more sustainable future for agriculture. Okay, this is my reference. Okay, and that's all my presentation, and I hope this is useful for you to know, and uh, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.